A Walmart pickup problem after an app update usually happens when the app cannot properly load your pickup information, location settings, account details, or order status. By the end, you'll know the steps to fix Walmart pickup issues after an update and what to check before placing another order. Start by closing the Walmart app completely and reopening it. This refreshes the connection between the app and your account. Next, check your Walmart account and confirm that you are signed into the correct account. Pickup orders are connected to the account used when the order was created. After that, check your selected pickup location. Open the store selection area and confirm that the correct Walmart store is chosen before trying again. If your pickup option is missing, review your cart. Some items may not qualify for pickup, and removing unavailable items can allow checkout to continue. You should also check your app permissions and location settings. Walmart pickup features can depend on accurate store and location information. If the app is still not working, update it through your device's app store. A newer app version may include fixes for problems introduced after an update. Another option is reinstalling the Walmart app. Removing the app and installing it again gives you a fresh version and clears possible app data problems. If pickup works on the Walmart website but not inside the app, the issue is likely related to the app installation or saved app information rather than your account. If your order was already placed and pickup information looks wrong, check the order details section in your Walmart account. Confirm the store location, pickup time information, and order status before going to the store. When contacting Walmart support, provide the exact issue. Include the device you use, what happens when you try to select pickup, any error message shown, and when the problem started. Clear details help support identify whether the issue is with the app, your account, or the pickup order itself. The main points are simple. First, refresh the Walmart app and verify your account and store location. Second, check your cart and order details for pickup problems. Third, reinstall the app or contact support if the issue continues. Your next step is to restart the app, confirm your pickup store, and try the order again. If this guide fixed your Walmart pickup problem, like the video and subscribe for more practical troubleshooting guides.